guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am gonna be we're gonna be making our finishing touches to our textures. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Unity. Once that happens, you will realize, let's just load in. You will realize that my game at least has some changes that were not done in the last video. We'll see in a sec because I was testing it out, obviously. So yeah, so there is some areas where there is, here, wait, I'll show you guys quick. So there's some areas that where, God, it is lagging a bit, but that is all good. Here, wait, I let down here. In the last video I didn't let it bake. That's the problem that makes it lag. So let's just make it bake. And okay guys, so this is voiceover Aryan here. I'm just going to show you guys what you need to do because it's super laggy. My voice would be super laggy by the end of the video, so I don't want you guys to struggle. But we're just going to let it bake. As you can see at the bottom. Oh, there we go, it just baked. So now what we're going to do, in this video we're basically going to be adding textures. So as you can see, my textures have popped in. I was testing this out. If you have this glitch where it phases through, if you see my mouse at the top, there's a lock. Press on that and then repress that. If you have like the glitch where it phases you through your stuff, sometimes it would not work, and you would have to like press the lock a few times and it'll work. But anyway, we'll just I'll show you guys some things. So look at these textures right here, like this rock textures, pretty nice neat textures right now. I'll show you guys around a bit, like those textures. There's some weird, I don't know what you call these, like these grass textures. So we're just going to be making some textures in today's video. I will show you obviously how to do them, don't worry, I will show you how to do them. But anyway, I will show you, yeah. So right now I'm gonna obviously show you. So you go into your terrain, then you go to the paint, then you'll see all your terrain layers. You're gonna go into edit terrain layers. I'm gonna click. My voice is a bit delayed since this is a voiceover, but you're gonna press create layer, and once you have pressed create layer, scroll down to the ones you want. In the last video we did put the assets for the layers and stuff, for the grass and stuff, so make sure to go do that. I'm just going to choose this rocky 3D one right here. Let's let it bake at the bottom right. As you can see, it says baking. That's basically just implementing all of your stuff into the game, like basically updating it. Alright, so once we let it bake, we'll let it bake, there we go. Now we're just going to start painting. So you just select it, and you select which brush you want at the bottom, and you start painting. As you can see, mine is changing color over the green. So yeah, I'm just going to go, like, you guys can go paint as well while you're listening, obviously. But go ahead and paint right now. Like, look at mine. Take a look at mine and then take a look at yours, because yeah, like all of these, look, it's all painting and has lots of 3D-ness on it. So yeah, we'll just let it bake. Make sure to let your stuff bake, otherwise it will be really laggy like in the video. You have like 10 more seconds, there we go, and then it should start. There we go, nearly 10 seconds. Alright. Like, as you can see, these rocks on the mountains, they're like really like 3D realistic. They don't have random lumps, but like these parts right here, like it looks 3D, like this road like here. We need to fix that up because there's a bit of green on the side. So we're just going to be filling out, I'm just going to be filling out at least the green parts, and you guys can do whatever you want. But yeah, basically I will like be doing that, and then yeah, so like I'll just do that, and then once you're done, obviously you can do that. Like you can do the same thing I did. Anyway, let's see now what we do. So we're gonna paint our stuff a bit. As you can see right here, we're gonna paint, but I'll see you guys once. Oh wait, never mind. I already am finished with my game, as you can see. But you guys can do the same. And this is voiceover, so it's a bit delayed. But as you can see, I just paused the video right there, and I did it. And now I'm testing my game, as you can see right here. So guys, go ahead and test your game out, and make sure this looks like 3D and stuff. Like as you can see, like there's loads of rocks and stuff like that. There's loads of 3D-ness to it. Like it looks pretty nice now. And yeah, so that's like all of the stuff. Like as you can see, it looks real 3D, really 3D and stuff. So yeah, like this magma rock is really cool. You guys, I definitely recommend you guys using it. It has loads of 3D to it. But yeah, we're just gonna drive around in our racer. Get stuck by the mountains, of course, because I'm a terrible driver. Oh my god. We might be adding checkpoints soon to our game, and like little houses in our game, so don't worry about that. And yeah, so that's basically our racer. So we can just like go back right here, and there's the finish line over there. But anyway, that's like the end of my game, like the race at least. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so one thing we are going to be doing in the next video is going to the asset store. Wait, let's wait for yeah, we're going to go to the asset store, and we are going to be downloading like some you know, like houses and stuff, like racing cars. No, not racing cars, we already have racing cars. We're going to be downloading some race tracks and stuff, and some houses already made by Unity. So yeah, like as you can see, if you search up race, you will see, if you go to the bottom, you can see a million different racetracks, a million different starters. It looks pretty nice right here, as you can see. But yeah, it really looks good. Like it really looks cool. Like this lake racetrack, I'm really looking forward to this. This has a lot of good detail, and it's free as well. So we're going to be looking at the free ones. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. But make sure to do your make sure to make the thing I did in today's video. Don't just watch, because I know you guys sometimes you guys are watching. But anyway, that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.